Welcome to my cooking show. It's a little messy in the background. Today we're making this. So first, we need egg. And we need butter. And a milk. And a bread. So first, we're gonna cut the egg in half. There's a second egg. Then we're gonna mix it. Then we're gonna add a milk into it. I think that's a lot. Then we're gonna cut the bread. Be careful with the knife. Then we're gonna heat a pan. We're gonna cut the butter. And put it in the pan. Then we're gonna pour egg into pan. Then we're gonna put a bread in there. And you need to push it in. Then wait a little bit. Then we're gonna turn over the bread. Wait a little bit. Then again, turn over. If it's brown, then you can put it on your plate. But if it's not brown, then you need to cook more. Mine was ready, so I put it in my plate. Egg, get out of here. Get out. Good job. And that's how I make bread with egg. Thank you for watching.